Yes. Of course, Empire Crypto TV. Be sure to subscribe to our show and support our show. This is live crypto trading, BTC versus USDT. Right here on the screen, man. I am on the 15-minute chart, but you know what? I want to take it down. I want to take it to more on a scalping level on a 5-minute chart. Just want to see some action. As of lately, the volatility in the market has not been so well done. As you can see on the chart, things are not looking good. In terms of volatility, it's quite not so good at all. But I will take my chances. I just want to see if I can make something happen in the meantime. This is a 5-minute chart. Let me see about 1-minute chart. Let's check out the volatility there also as well. But this is trading view. Be sure to be able to use it, so that you can be able to have the advantage over it, because if you don't know how to use some of these platforms, it can be very, very difficult, for you to make profits, so you need to get used to it. We also have courses here at Empire Crypto. We have courses where we teach students. Just reach us. You'll see the contact details on our link and description section. But now let's see, we're looking at the BTC USDT. Right now it looks like it's been going down or something. But let's see what we can do on this 1-minute chart, how much we can make. Right, okay, on my paper trade, come here on my order panel. Let's see what techniques. This is what you call price action techniques. I am merely just taking orders based on what I see. I'm not using indicators or some sort of a technique, but I just go with the flow. Now, right now, I can see the market has been coming down as of lately, because I can see that there's an exhaustion that has happened for the bull run. Okay, this is just a strong sign, a strong signal that the bull run just happened, and then it happened to be exhausted at some point. But not to worry. What this entails, maybe it means that it might be a continuation going up. So what I'm going to do, go to my market order, and I'm going to buy the market, okay? Just buy it. Then come down here again, confirm that you bought the market, and then you just see some flip things coming in. Don't worry about them. Now here, this is merely for beginners, people who are trying to learn how to trade. Okay, this is for beginners. I'm not here promising you high amounts of money, unless if you want to go further and do some high amounts of money. Of course, we also have our copy trading system that we use here on Empire Crypto TV. If you want to join us, please join us. Our links on our description section. Right now, I have the buy order being set on the chart. This is how you're going to see it. So you're going to just move a little bit slowly. You'll see your stop loss and take profits. This is your risk management tools. You need to have your risk management tools. Wow, look at that candlestick coming down. And I already bought the market. And I haven't even put my stop loss and my take profits. But I will now. After I've seen that candlestick, stop loss will come down if you bought the market. Okay, there we go. All right there. It can be a little bit stubborn sometimes. Just take it further down. Sometimes you can just adjust it here. Okay, you can just adjust it there. Okay, let me just adjust it there, because I think the system is not allowing me. Maybe let's say it's right now it's 16,000. I'll just say 15,999.00. Yeah, then I'll modify it. It's gonna go all the way down. There's my stop loss right there. It's all the way there. I can't even see it because this is a 1-minute chart. There is it right here. Okay, so like I was saying, be able to maneuver your chart. So I just want to take it up further, because it's too low. I can't even see it. Then you just say modify, take it up. I just want to take it even more further. It's just too far for me. It's just too far. My stop loss, I could lose everything. So be careful where you put your stop loss if you are starting trading. Like I was saying before, if you are not too sure, there are platforms where people are helped copy trading. For instance, where you can copy another master trader and trade. But this is merely for beginners, people who are just looking to understand how the market works, in general. But we are looking here at the crypto markets. There are various markets that you can dive on the crypto market, and take it further up. All right, there you modify it. Yeah, that's better. That's far better for me. That's all right. Now take profits. Let me see if I can put it. I can take it up here. Take profit. I'll be good with that. If it goes to that level, I'll be good with that. Modify. This is TradingView. You find it on Bybit, and a lot of crypto platforms and exchanges use what you call TradingView. Once you understand TradingView, you can be sure to be able to maneuver in most of the exchanges that offer TradingView. It's a pretty much good advantage to learn it. It's not a bad advantage. It's not a bad thing at all. It's in fact an advantage for you to get to know it. Now here's my trade. It's on right here. I can say position. Okay, one position. Let me just look into it. All right, let me just make it further. All right, there we go. I'm already losing, as you can see on my trade. I'm losing just $3.50 for now. But let's see what happens. Okay, this is live trading USDT versus the US versus the Bitcoin or BTC. Sorry. So this is how it's done on a very basic level. Looking to learn how to trade on TradingView. These are the first few steps that you can take if you're still new in the platform, just to understand how the market works in general. Okay, there will be more live trading videos that I will be doing with different instruments. Okay, even maybe delving into forex charts. I do also have a forex chart of US dollar versus the Japanese yen. For now, let us just look into the market. Looking at the chart, it's live. Just widen it up. Let's see what happens. As of lately, things have not been looking good in terms of cryptocurrencies, but it's fine to take an advantage if you can. If you have enough, then you can get involved with the market. Okay, let's look at how the market goes. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the volatility still lacks even in the 1 minute chart. So the market is a bit slow. Bitcoin trading at 16,737.04 per coin, and which is an interesting time. 2023 could be a big year for Bitcoin. Let's see what happens. Let's see how the market value will rise from here. As you can see, I'm yet again used to check. I'm still on my minus days. There's my paper trading open profit. Okay, I'm still on the negative, as you can see right here, still negative, but I'm looking to gain pretty soon. But I won't let you see the whole session. This is just for beginners. This is a USDT versus BTC session, trading session. Okay, let's see what happens. Like to zoom in as well. Look deep into candlesticks, because I cannot see from where I am. Yeah, this is much better. 1 minute chart. Yes, 1 minute chart. Want to see the price action? You just have to zoom in a lot. All right, that's much better. Let's see what happens. I can even bring these stop loss take profits much closer, but I prefer it not. Let me just see what happens from this point, because this is a 1 minute chart. Yeah, things can move quite quickly. But on another perspective, if you look at the chart on another perspective, let's look at maybe a 30-minute chart. It looks quite different. Okay, it looks like something like this on a 30-minute chart. But let's go back to our original 1 minute chart that we wanted. This is scalping. Okay, scalping trading. Just can put up charts right on the screen for you to see. I think I'm gonna start gaining soon Oh, here comes, oh come on, Bitcoin is gonna start pumping. It's gonna start pumping. If it starts hitting profit, I can close the trade if I want to. I can just simply close the trade. Oh man, I can close it right here even. Oh, not yet. Let me just wait for it. As soon as it hits the profit line, I just want to get out of it before I start losing everything. 1 minute. This is called like scalping. You're just taking just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. This is how you learn on a basic level. If you take basic techniques of trading and apply them on a basic chart on this one, it can help you develop your skill over time. Your skill of trading develops, okay? Although maybe you might be using robots, you might be using other forms of platforms of trading. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God, it's back on minus. Okay, now I'm gonna catch it. But you see, that's how fast the market moves. Okay, but it doesn't have to move this fast because I'm using 1 minute chart. Okay, here we go. I can close this way. I just want to close it, the position while it's still there. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, I made a profit, I believe. Now it's starting to give signal that it's going to be coming down. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been a live trading USDT and BTC. Let's see how much profit we made. I think orders, it shows on your account history, which is the latest one. Let's see what happened. Account history. Let's check account history. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Yes, 2023 01 on the 3rd of January. This is the profit. I've been doing also all sorts of live tradings, teaching people how to make profits. Pretty much I have, been trying to make profits, even though it's small profits, but it is something, okay? Let us not be greedy. This is the market. It's unpredictable, so you need to be careful. Empire Crypto TV, thank you very much. Join me next time on my live trading. If you are still new on the channel, this is Empire Crypto TV. Follow us on our channel, empirecryptotv.com. Oh, no, Empire Crypto TV. And we have many other videos of lectures and teaching you basics on trading. If you want to get involved in trading, please do contact us. Until next time, ciao.